This power supply has something new. This capacitor is making a problem. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Delta Electronics 24 volt power supply. It is labeled as fail. Let's check it and we will fix it. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because we are dealing with light voltage. I will apply power using series lamp and we will see the lamp condition. No indication on the lamp. Check AC input voltage. 238 volt. Check output DC voltage. LED is off and here is no output. Let's open it. Yes, this capacitor is bulged, I think. Yes, in last two power supplies the same problem. This capacitor and in this power supply same this capacitor, and here is also same problem. We can see this capacitor, its top surface is plain. So this mat is looking clean. There is no visible burning smoke or either like that. Before touching to the circuit, verify voltage on this capacitor. If there are voltage, discharge it. No voltage. PFC MOSFET gate driver components are clear, looking clean. Power stage is also looking clean, but this diode might be something wrong. Let's check fuse. Fuse open circuit. Just for test purpose, I will bypass this fuse using 1 ampere fuse wire. Verify input resistance. 88 ohms. This is wrong. This diode good, this diode good. Bridge rectifier good. Problem in input area. In these last two power supplies, its MOV, this capacitor, fuse, this was damaged. In this power supply, MOV, capacitor, fuse, and here this capacitor, and now we will verify MOV and fuse. Yes, this MOV is also damaged. Fantastic. We have same fault in three power supplies. Its part number is CNR14D471K. Protection against surge voltage. We must install this safety. This is the problem. Let's check input resistance again. Yes, 1.3 mega ohms. It is high, it's good. Now let's apply power and we will see the circuit condition. We can see this power supply has something new. Maybe this standby section capacitor is making problem. Yes, this capacitor is making a problem. We need to replace this capacitor. It is 2.2 microfarad 400 volt. .35 nanofarad. This capacitor is damaged. Its value is slightly high, but for test purpose I will use this one. Let's check its condition now. We can see PFC circuit started. The lamp was flashing. It was maintaining voltage on PFC section. We have 24.1 volt. We will check voltage on this capacitor. 391. PFC section is working good. Now we can see 3 power supplies in last 2 videos. In this power supply, capacitor, MOV, fuse. In last 2 power supplies, capacitor, MOV, fuses. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.